Hello folks, welcome to Props and Wheels. Oh, my MD hobby E0717 is flying by itself, taking off. You may ask, oh, next video, is a calm day? No, it's worse. I don't know if you can see. Our windsock over there is coming towards us, the wind. And this is going to take off by itself. It is crazy windy, and this is going to be my fourth flight with this airplane. And I had another flight today, and I loved it. I really got used to it. I know I promised you a flight in a calm weather, but I had to do another one. So I'm just going to quickly take off. I set the timer to 10 minutes, and last time I flew 10 minutes, there was still 35% power on that 2200 milliamp hour battery, 3S battery. Okay, I'm going to take off 60% throws, and then in the air I'm going to change it to 100%. So let's do this. Into the wind. Look at that girl, fighting the wind. It is a ball to fly. I mean, I've been getting pretty gutsy with this plane. It has so much power for the size. Is the trainer? Probably not. It can do hammerhead easily. Sorry about the sun. But it has been flying fantastic. Very bold to fly. I just cut down the power. It's like gliding right now. Let's bring it in a little closer. Back on power. Up close on personal. Here it is. And look at it climb. And
9 minutes.
And it can easily do these loops all day long. By the way, I taped down the decals so they are not flapping anymore. That's a good thing. I'm kind of treating it now like an aerobatic airplane. It doesn't like to fly upside down, but because it has some dihedral, but it can still do it. I mean, look. Flying upside down, it just wanted to right itself up very quickly, and you have to fight it with the ailerons, but it is fine. I mean, you are building skills, piloting skills. Let's get it to 100%. So I'm on the 100% throws. Gliding, gliding. Back on power. Look at the tight loop. I don't know if you are able to see it because it was right above my head, but oh, something is seizing. Okay, I have to land. So that was no power landing. It was dead stick landing. I don't know what happened. I heard some grinding noises, or maybe for ESC. No power right now, no power, but I still have control. So even if it is ESC, the BEC battery eliminator circuit is still working. Oh, there is some. Oh, it's burning. Oh shit. Okay. Oh wow. It is burning. Okay, this one is gone. This one is gone. I don't know what happened, but Alright, my first burning airplane. Okay. And the battery's gone. It was I guess the ESC. It must be in the ESC or something. Wow. Wow, it was going so well for a while. It was going so well for a while. Okay, so we can oh, the ESC is completely gone. I don't even see it. Whew. It really smells bad. I think the ESC must have overheated because I was getting a little too throttle happy. And here we go. The end of MD hobby E0717. I was able to land it because somehow, although the ESC is completely gone, it still provided power to the. Huh?
It happened in the air.
It happened in the air. I mean, it started like making sounds, and then I had no power. I had a little bit of power, then no power, and I glided in and was able to land. And I was walking towards it, and then suddenly smoke started coming. By the time I opened this, there was already, there were already flames.
That's something that did not.
I mean, there's a metal plate, and that plate came probably from the ESC.
Heat sink.
Yeah, heat sink, but there is no ESC. I mean, look, there is no ESC at all.
Burnt up completely.
Yeah, and then, but after I landed, so I was able to land it.
I can tell you, this is what melted and separated. Remember I showed you that's what melted. These are the FETs.
Okay, so I guess it applied too much.
Well, this looks like a failure of the battery didn't cause it.
No, it was, I think the ESC won't heated up.
Yeah, and it just kind of melted and separated these, and then everything went. No, you'll have the ESC somewhere. Maybe you drop, when you're trying to dump something out.
No, I had control.
Yeah, right.
No, I had control. I brought it. It landed over there, and then it was burning. So I was going to bring it and then put some dirt on it but it.
ESC cannot. So this is part of it, right? This is part of ESC too.
Yeah, so it's completely burnt out.
Well, the board can't burn out that much. This is
here we go. This is the board.
That's the whole thing.
Yeah, this is it. The plastic burned out, and this was what was inside.
Yeah. That's the heat sink. Yeah. Catastrophic failure of.
Yeah, can I recommend it at this point? I don't know what caused the issue. It could have been any of the components. It could have been the motor, because I have heard some grinding noises almost. But was it caused by the ESC not sending the correct signal to the motor, or was it something else? I don't know. I mean, look, there's a lot of. Let me try to show you. There are a lot of the electronic components. So I think these were the things that were exploding, not the battery. It's just battery is in my hand, and then probably I should not hold. This should probably go discharge it. And not use it, because this can burst into flames anytime. And then here's the other pieces, all electronic pieces of the ESC. It even burned some stuff here. I decided to do a post-mortem on this airplane because my RC friend Ryan indicated that it may not have been an ESC issue, but a motor issue. And he may be very well right, because I found the motor moving inside, and it probably rubbed against the cowling. So if that happened, it would have put more resistance to the motor, drawing more amps through the ESC. And although I tested the ESC at full throttle 20 amps, it may very well have increased the draw over 30 amps, had overheated and burned the ESC. And this is, again, what was left of the ESC. And I used this type of ESC, no-name brand, a yellow ESC before, many times without any issues. So it was exactly one of these. So I just wanted to take a look. If that's the case, I would like to give this model another chance. So I'm planning to do another video, fix it, put one of these again 30mm ESCs, put the motor back on because it looks like it is loose, and make sure it is well installed on the firewall, on the engine mount. I think this has been, oh yeah, I can already see, yeah, the motor is completely loose, and it looks like the 4 screws that hold it in place actually came loose, because yeah, the motor is completely inside the cowling. So, and just before the motor stopped running, I heard a couple noises. I don't know the video was able to record that, but I heard this grinding sounds, and at that time I am assuming that the motor has separated from its mount and started rubbing inside the cowling, which caused it to draw more amps and hence overheating the ESC. I mean, you can see it now that it's inside. I'm hoping the motor is fine. The cowling is a little scuffed, but I can fix it. And then I need to cut this burnt area, and assuming that all the other components are fine, it was a small fire after all, I should be able to set it back. Probably I'm going to need another strap because this Velcro strap has burnt. So yes, so the bottom line, it was my fault because I did not use thread lock compound, blue thread lock. I should have. And this is, please learn from my mistake, especially with these kind of machine screws that could go metal on metal. Always use the medium thread lock compound, the blue thread lock compound, so they don't come loose. Because this is the plastic in between, and with time plastic kind of deforms, loosening the screw, and then it kind of, with the vibration of the motor, it will just unscrew by itself. Looks like that's what happened in this case. So expect another video. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.